So guys, we're back with another YouTube video of the tornado warning in effect for Montana. New tornado warning, no rotation. As you can see, just big hail. It's happening right in that zone. I'm gonna watch these storms go past. We do have hail forming all down, even up into almost Canada. They don't care about Canada, but like right on the border, severe thunderstorm warning stops, and we just have a big bowl of rain down into the special segment area. I am watching a tornado warning on TV right now. It is the same tornado warning that is heading in right now. There's no rotation. There might be a little bit. Now it's cold air forming now. Down. There is rotation in those cells. You see, there's dark stuff right there. It's rotation. Or right there is some rotation forming up in that direction. I'm gonna keep watching the storm go past. There's gonna be lots of tornado warnings in this area, or like in this area. There's gonna be tons of tornado warnings out. Now there's like no rotation now, just hail, really big hail size storm. So we got the box where a tornado might possibly form. There's still rotation in that circle, big rotation. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on this storm. If anything else happens, let me see if anything happening else. Do have a severe thunderstorm warning in Texas. Expires in 6 minutes. That's gonna go gone. Down here, it's not even in Tornado Alley. Possibly a tornado. I really do not know. This storm is moving really fast. It's moving about 18 miles per hour. The storm, this cell. Got the box where the tornado can possibly happen. Like, I don't even count this as a tornado warning in that box area right here. There might be a tornado warning in that area. So, I'm going to let you guys go and see you later. Bye.